S155 Professional HD Camera Drone with 3-axis gimbal and GPS obstacle avoidance, redefining aerial photography. Small airplane section 1. Designed for ultimate performance and portability. The S155 Professional Drone is a game-changer for hobbyists and professionals looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. With a sleek foldable design measuring just 19.5 by 10 by 12 centimeters when compact and 40x40 by 12 centimeters when unfolded, this drone is highly portable while offering powerful features. Built with brushless motors for enhanced power, stability, and durability, the S155 delivers smooth flights and precise control even in windy conditions. Its 3,800 mAh 7.4 volts high-capacity battery ensures a true flight time of up to 40 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture breathtaking shots from above. Whether you're exploring landscapes, filming real estate, or capturing action-packed moments, the S155 is ready for any mission. The drone comes in a stylish storage backpack and color box for safe transport, and it's easy to operate via both the dedicated remote control or the intuitive mobile app. With a universal USB charging system, recharging is straightforward whether you're at home or on the go. Designed for users of all levels, the S155 includes speed shift modes, medium to high, and supports gesture control, voice commands, and beauty effects to enhance every shot. Advanced imaging and flight intelligence. Equipped with a 2.7K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis anti-shake brushless gimbal, the S155 captures incredibly stable and clear footage even during high-speed flights or sharp turns. The ICE, electronic image stabilization, further reduces vibrations, resulting in cinema-quality visuals. With dual camera switching, you can seamlessly toggle between different angles, while the 50x zoom function allows for detailed close-up shots without sacrificing image quality. One of its standout features is the 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance system, which uses laser sensors to intelligently detect and navigate around objects in real time. Whether you're flying in tight indoor spaces or navigating rugged terrain, the S155 stays safe and stable. Intelligent flight modes such as GPS return to home, waypoint flight, circling, follow me, soaring, and gradual fade allow you to create professional-level flight paths effortlessly. From hands-free selfies using gesture photography to voice-controlled commands, this drone brings creativity and innovation together in a compact aerial package. Specifications and user-centric features. With its blend of precision engineering and intelligent automation, the S155 is more than just a drone, it's a flying camera system tailored to content creators. It supports a payload of up to 500 grams, making it capable of carrying small action cameras or accessories. The remote controller, powered by a 7.4 volts 600 mAh battery, charges in just 40 minutes and offers excellent responsiveness with real-time feedback. Whether you're flying in the city, on a mountain, or near the coast, the drone's working temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius ensures consistent performance. Integrated with beauty filters, smart photo editing options, and MV video functions, it helps elevate your content from ordinary to extraordinary. Capture cinematic shots with smooth gimbal tracking, zoom in on distant details, and take full creative control, right from your smartphone. What's in the package? One S155 drone. One 7.4 volts 3,800 mAh body battery. One remote controller, 600 mAh. One USB charging cable. 4 spare propellers. One screwdriver. One user manual. One mobile app guide. One stylish storage backpack plus color box.